The Stories tab will display all the portfolios and reports available in your account. Selecting an album will land you on a preview of all the stories created under that album. A thumbnail view of the articles will appear at the bottom of your screen. There is also a sort icon next to the thumbnails to allow you to change from ascending to descending date order and vice versa. Clicking one of the thumbnails will generate a full screen view of the selected article. To the left of the publication preview, there are some action icons. The first paper icon will allow you to create a new article for the folder. Educators are provided with the option to start a new article with or without an image. Today we will be starting with an image. At the top of your screen, you are able to enter the title of the learning story, as well as change the date of the story if it needs to be amended. KepMe also allows you to group artifacts by adding a tag when selecting the hashtag icon. This option is fantastic to group continuous learning stories that may start with one activity and continue through several more. A preview of your document will appear on the right-hand side that will automatically update as changes are being made. For web users, you are able to update your preview by clicking on the Refresh Preview button just above the preview to the right of your screen. On the left-hand side, you'll have the options to add your observations and analysis and reflection, or that of your student. When entering your observations or analysis and reflection, you will also be presented with the option to add predefined text. Selecting this option will allow you to add the elements of your selected framework, in this case, the Australian Early Years Learning Framework. Clicking on one outcome will expand to the other options. Once all the required outcomes have been selected, click on the Save button. You will now notice that these outcomes are in the free text box, with the student's name automatically included in the text. These outcomes form a baseline of your story and are completely editable. Once your story has been completed, click the tick icon. The outcome is now appearing highlighted in the left-hand menu, indicating that it has been selected. If you wish to not include the outcomes as a part of your free text, you are able to choose the outcomes directly from the menu by clicking on the required outcome. Beneath the outcome, you will also have the option to add developmental areas, participation in experience, what's next plan and act, principles, practice, as well as borders and stickers to make your story unique. To save all the changes to your document, please ensure you click the tick button on the top right-hand corner. This brings us back to our action icons. The next icon allows educators to edit an existing document. Simply select the thumbnail you wish to edit and press the pencil icon, or alternatively, click anywhere on the preview. Web users can click directly on the preview or select the pencil icon to then choose the document you wish to edit. The edit function will allow you to make changes to a document or perhaps include other students to create a small group story by pressing on the group icon. After clicking on the group icon, select the students in the learning story and press the Submit button to copy the story into their profiles. The filter icon is next and allows you to view previously published stories or filter according to date range or theme if a tag has been added. Any filtering applied to an album will automatically update your preview and carry over the filtering criteria to the Share page, which is our last icon. The Share page, represented by the aeroplane icon, allows you to publish any artifacts via KepMe, email or print and include a title for the publication. We highly recommend using the Publish via KepMe option, which will allow parents to receive real-time notifications once a new document has been published, view any video footage that may have been captured, and most importantly, comment on their child's learning stories. Please note, this function will only work if your organisation administration person has added parent email addresses to each child's profile. At the bottom of the Share page, you will have the option of publishing a single report or for everyone in the same class. Choosing to share a report for everyone in the same class will apply the filtering that has been selected to the current document to everyone in the same class and send their individual reports to their families. If you are using Publish via KepMe with all the students in the same class, families will only be able to view their child's profile. Should you select to publish for an individual student, you will be provided with a preview of all the images included in the publication. From this page, you will still be able to remove any included articles by simply deselecting the image. If you are happy to proceed sharing the publication, please select the Share button.